What does it take to build a nation? Not with monuments or armies, but with numbers, schools, and quiet, persistent service. Dr. Jaime Hernandez, accountant, statesman, educator. Born in Libmanan, Camarines Sur on July 11, 1892, Jaime was the son of Leon Hernandez, one of the 15 Bikol martyrs. His father gave his life for freedom. Jaime would dedicate his to rebuilding a nation. The first Filipino Insular Auditor, appointed by a U.S. President, then Auditor General, then Finance Secretary under multiple Philippine presidents. His 1954 Hernandez Report helped secure war reparations from Japan, Pusong Pilipino, Utak Eksperto. In 1948, during a short retirement, he founded what became the University of Nueva Caceres, the first university in Bikol, a place where dreams of young Bicolnons took root. Edukasyon para sa rehiyon, para sa bayan. He didn't chase power, he built systems. He didn't seek the spotlight, he left legacies. Dr. Jaime Hernandez, he passed away on his 94th birthday on July 11, 1986. But here's the question, in an age of noise, are we still listening to lives like his? Read more about Jaime Hernandez in Saysay Bikol Facebook page. Madyan na sa danay na pagsaysay.